Generally, we say new products are to be developed due to the technological innovations and market orienting or market oriented modifications. I have noted down 7 points. First point, please mention under this heading. Heading is classification of new products. The first point, sub point you can say, that is new functional ability. New functional ability. Note it down. Are you getting my sound? Anyone can reply? Okay. New functional ability. It means to say a product which was not innovated by anyone. That product may be in form of the raw material, maybe in terms of the utilities, maybe in terms of the products, maybe in terms of the assigned product or additional features. Mean to say any kind of the product which has the additional functional ability is known as new product under the category of innovative new products. Clear this thing? Functional ability mean to say the product which will be launched by you in the market will give additional feature or new feature which was or which were not known by the society yet. In the society, there was no possibility and nobody has seen such kind of the product is to be available in the market. For example, it is the mobile is the replacement of the telephone. You know very well. Before launching of the mobile, nobody knows what will be the use of the mobile and such kind of the facility are to be created in the coming days when we were using the telephone landlines. Therefore, we can say the mobile when it was produced was the new product having the new functional ability. The first new functional ability was it is portable. You can use from one to another place. You can port from one place to another easily. You can listen, you can give the call, you can receive the call without any kind of the hindrances or the problem or the bottleneck. Therefore, we can say the production of mobile was the new functional ability and that product is known as innovative product. Now, the second point or the next classification as I stated you that the market driven mean to say when the market conditions, market situations, calamities, natural calamities or environmental factors or other factors which will enforce you, which will boost you, which will target you, okay, you have to produce this product. Why? Because of that will be the requirement of those consumers who are existing consumers or the potential buyers for you. Therefore, you have to produce. The category under this heading is known as the next point new version of existing products. First point, as I have clarified, new functional ability. Only one point under the heading of the innovation. Mean to say innovation, new product, nobody knows about this yet. As and when it will come, people will came to know, they will get the information about the product, they will purchase. Otherwise, nobody knows about the product. Is it clear? Yes, no. Sound is, you are getting my sound? Okay, no problem. Next point, new version of existing products. Products are available in the market. For example, Windows 98. Then Windows 2008 or Windows 8.0 or Windows 10 mean to say product is available, but the existing product is to be converted or is to be advanced technologically or on the basis of the usefulness. When we will give the new aspect, new version of the product. For example, you are having the mobile in your hands. You see, if you have the Samsung, then you will Samsung Galaxy 7, 8, 9, 10. Another product, Redmi Note Pro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is that? That these are the new versions of the existing products. The products are available in the market, but additional features are given, and we can say it is the new version of the existing product. Sometimes what happens, so many marketers, they will change the ingredients of the products. Another point I am discussing with you, change in ingredients. For example, a pharmaceutical company is producing a medicine having different salts. One more salt is added, or one salt may be subtracted from that particular mixture of that medicine. That is known as change in the ingredients. As and when that product will be came out in the market, or when it will be launched by the manufacturer, businessman or firm, that will be known as new product. Now the next one is change in design. Sometimes what we see, different companies, different organization, different businessmen or different entrepreneurs, they will change, or they are trying to change, or they changes, or they change their designs of their product which are existing. Sometimes, as you see, in your hands there are so many mobile phones, pen, pencil. You know very well, first time when you have seen the name of, or the brand name of the pencil which was used by you, HB pencil. Nowadays in your hands, Apsara pencil. What is that? Same companies there, maybe. Different companies may be there, yes. But the Apsara company or the Apsara Platinum, the company is producing Apsara pencil with additional feature of, or new design of, having the attachment of the rubber with the pencil. That is known as additional feature. Mean to say any kind of the change in the ingredients, design, feature is known as new product, which is driven by market, which is given or which is produced, which is launched by the companies, by the organization, by the firms, by the manufacturer, by the entrepreneur as new product. Now additional one more point is there, additional utility. As stated by me earlier, in the first point, new functional ability, the new functional ability was the category of the innovative, but the additional feature or the additional utility is the part of market driven classification of the products. Mean to say it is the demand of the market, it is the demand of the customers or the buyers or the potential buyers or the existing buyers. They are saying no, we are in the demand or we are willing to purchase that product which has this additional utility. For example, I need microphone having no lead. Mean to say I am willing to purchase that particular microphone having no lead. Mean to say wireless microphone is the requirement for me. I am not willing to attach my lead in the mobile phone. No, just I need that particular microphone which will be attached by you through Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi. It will be additional utility of the same product. Now, new sales appeal to new market. Another feature, another classification of the market driven products is known as new sales appeal to new market. Please note down. Points are clear. New functional ability, new version of the existing product, change in ingredients, change in design, additional features, additional utility. Now the next point or the seventh point or sub point you can say new sales appeal to new market. Are you getting my voice? Yes. Okay. First one was new functional ability. Second was new version of existing products. Third one is change in ingredients. 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 Next is change in design. Then additional feature. Then additional utility. Then new sales appeal to new market. Yes, additional feature is different thing. Additional utility is different thing. I will clarify it. What is the meaning of it? Let me clarify. Yes. Additional feature. Suppose you have the pencil and you have attached the eraser with it. What is that? That is additional feature. But the pencil having the scroll mean to say if the rubber is utilized not for that purpose by which it was attached, that become additional utility. For example, I will communicate. You have a microphone. The lead is given to you by which we are connecting the mobile. But the additional utility I am saying, okay, I will give, mean to say being businessman, being manufacturer, will give to you or I will launch the product which has the Wi-Fi facility or the Bluetooth facility as well as the lead facility to connect the phone with the microphone. It mean to say the feature was I have disconnected or removed the whole lead, that is known as additional feature. If I have not reduced the lead, that becomes your additional